I am Narendra Maneklal Shah. I had a very severe breathing problem on 5th of December in the morning. Then I have been brought here in an emergency. In emergency, the team of Dr. Prashant Saxena has taken care and immediately started my treatment. I was admitted in his ward, in his ICU, and I was there for up to 13th of December. I am discharged on 13th of December. I feel very comfortable, happy, and the treatment was very much satisfactory. It is my fortunate time that I reached in Fortis Hospital so that I got a proper treatment, and I thanks the whole team who has taken the care of my all the health. Thank you very much.